Okay, the butt weld we're doing here, it's an example of if we're welding a quarter panel on and it's a longer panel. So we don't weld the whole panel continuous. We'll put a tack there and a tack there, and we will actually rotate our welding so that the panel doesn't get too hot, which causes the panel to distort. Once we've tacked the panel, we can then remove the vice clamp from that panel, because that panel has now made contact with the other panel, which will not break. And then again, when welding it, we got to push the weld along.